Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos on tips and tricks for using the library's digital resources. And today I wanted to talk to you about a really great resource that you have access to through the Worcester Public Library, and that is the Driving Test Help. Now, we know from experience here at the library that a very popular item that gets checked out a lot is the Massachusetts Driving Test Handbook. A lot of people studying for their learner's permits for their driving test, and it may be that you're one of these people and you need just a little bit of extra help. You want to take some practice tests. So to start out with, you can go to our website at mywpl.org and then go under resources right here and then click on online databases. And then if you go down to by title alphabetically, you can see a list of all of the databases that we have. And we can scroll down to, it says right here, Massachusetts Permit Practice Test. Now if you're accessing this from home, you just click on this little house icon. And one nice thing is, unlike a lot of the other databases that I've talked about in my videos, you don't actually need to enter in a library card number or password. You can just click on that little house icon and log right in. So what you can do, you can see that it's got a whole bunch of different tests. Like if you're going for your car test, you'll see that you've got practice tests ranging from easy to sort of hard. Hardest, an exam simulation, so it's a sort of simulated permanent test. The other thing that they have, which is really nice, is they have a little FAQ for the RMV. They have it so that you can read everything in Spanish if you're interested in that. But they also, if you click right here, they have scans of the official driver's handbook. So if you are interested in reading the actual handbook, you can just click on that and you can read and then download a PDF of the Massachusetts Driver's Handbook. So again, it's got the handbook, it's got a lot of practice tests, it's got information about the RMV. It's a really great free resource. You don't even need to type in your library card or PIN, so hopefully you check this out if you're going to be taking the driving test, or you know somebody who does. And again, this was Alex from the Worcester Public Library with one of my weekly videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, and hopefully I'll see you here next week for another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.